Today, we will read a speech given by a college professor about achieving appealing to a logical and emotionally. These are all the keywords of the logical and emotional appealings. Logical, emotional, perseverance, quitting, fundamentals, and pursued. What are the main ideas being conveyed through the first instance narrated in the speech? The main idea conveyed through experiencing zero G is that even if the circumstances are against us, we will find a way to achieve our dreams if we really push it hard. It is important to know our weakness and strength and use them to our benefit. The speaker knew he could not become an astronaut because his eyesight was weak. Yet he did not give up his dream to experiencing zero gravity, even when he was not allowed to enter the zero G plane as a professor. He decided to go as a journalist instead. In Never I Made It to the NFL, the speaker brings out the importance of hard working and persevering in what you love doing without quitting even if it's tough. It also highlights the importance of understanding the fundamentals of any task. When the speaker's father put him under the strict coach Graham to play football, when he roughed it out and learned the value of hard work, sportsmanship, perseverance, and the ability to deal with adversity or difficult situation. What lines did you identify that appeal to logic? Why did you select them? These lines seems to logical instantly as their planning bring out a fact of life, have no feelings attached to the statement, and tell us about a fact learned through experience. Here the speaker is appealing to logical by giving reasonable argument supported by evidence about the incidents. We identify details that appeal to logic by identifying whether the lines trick the mind as reasonable and faculty correct or not. The logical side of any argument gives reasons and evidence. Reasoning is a process of drawing a conclusion based on evidence or experience. A speaker uses the tool of logic in a speech to build an argument that makes sense to the audience. We are all rational people, which means we like to follow logic or reason. Emotional appeals target the feelings of the reader to create a connection with the speaker. Emotional appeals target the feeling of the reader to create a connection with the speaker. They also make them feel a certain positive or negative emotion towards the content of the argument. If a speaker makes us feel angry about something, we are more likely to act against it. While if we make us feel kind towards someone, we are more likely to help them. Since humans are emotional creatures, emotional appeals are effective tools in arguments to evoke many different emotions. Different emotions such as fear, guilt, joy, and thank you, students.